out basically some satoshis from each of the money making apps that I use to mine Bitcoin or satoshis. So let's get straight into the video. So yes, guys. So as of right now, I use three money making app to mine Bitcoin. I have another one that I'm gonna share with you guys after this. So just stay tuned for that. So yes, guys. So, of course, I'm still running my Umber app that's still earning Bitcoin, but we're not getting into that right now because there's so many changing happening with the Umber app, and I'm not uh, familiar with them because I haven't been active on the money making app. I've just been using the money making app just to be earning stats over time. I haven't invested, I haven't put any time on the app, so there's a lot of updates that I haven't I'm not sure about. So I'm gonna leave that for now, right? So we're here with the Bitcoin mining. We're here with the Bitcoin mining turbo, and we're also here with the BTC coin. And these three money making apps where I used to mine Bitcoin, I have another new money making app where I used to. I didn't put it here because I haven't created my account or anything. I haven't like start earning. I haven't looked over the app, but I see potential from previous app that I watched and my due diligence. So yes, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to share you how you can cash out from the money making app, which is Bitcoin mining. So the last time I did a cash out, I said to you guys that I was cashing out because what happened, because I'm using so many money making apps, I'm seeing a trend. And I am the one who always say to you guys that Bitcoin is a limit asset. So you don't have unlimited satoshis. You have a limited satoshis. And some of my money making apps, when I try to cash out, they're telling me that they don't have any stats right now, so they have to wait. We have to wait until they fill back up. So that give me understanding that satoshis are dwindling, and I don't know this word dwindling. I heard it from a YouTubers. I think it means going down. So yeah, so because of that, I just say, you know what, I'm gonna cash out once I see I have some cash out. And from looking at the 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 earnings on the top of the screen, I have 351. And you might say, how do I know that? Behind the decimal point, you have nine zeros. So if you check it, that's where you know how much stats you have just by looking at it. Even though it's a long number, you have that with most money making app when they are cashing out, there is a 9 digit after the decimal point, and that's how I know how much I'm gonna cash out. So right now I'm gonna cash out 351. I want to keep into consideration, guys, I do earn from referrals, so just to keep that into consideration. And where you see uh this, like you have claim and you have 35 and I only have two, I'm only boost by two by watching random ads. And I said before, you can do that for free just by watching random ads. Just to keep it into consideration, guys. And remember, we're using the free version, no paid, just free. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go over to the wallet and we're gonna press the button withdrawal. So we're gonna withdraw from the money making app, which is a lightning. And the reason why, because you can see how much you need if you're gonna um withdraw with the BEP20. That's how many satoshis you're gonna need. You're gonna need at least a 4 digit behind decimal place. And with the BTC, like BTC to BTC on the same BTC network, right? You only need 3 digit behind the decimal plane. We don't have that amount, so we're gonna go with the Lightning. Not only that, too, I want to send my satoshis to a Lightning account because even though a Lightning account is used over the internet, it's still another way how you can store a small amount of your satoshis. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically go for the lightning address. And why do we go for the lightning? Because when we are cashing out, we can use either or either. But in this instance, they ask for the lightning address. So that's why we're going to go with the lightning because it says recommended lightning. Do you remember that? So yeah. So that's why we're going to go for the lightning address. And we're cashing out in my speed wallet. Just to keep that into consideration, guys. So once we do all of that, we choose we want to cash out in our speed wallet. We're going to choose the max amount, 351 stats, right? And then we're going to put in our lightning address. You can see you have the invoice option and you can see you have the lightning address. So we're going to go with the lightning address. For me, this is super easy, so that's why I'm going to go with it. And that's my lightning address. If you decided to put, you know how back when you were in school and some people would be copying and then they write the person name. If you're copying me and you write my name, that's why you have to be smart. That's why the teacher always say focus on your own paper, because when you do, when you do this, you will copy the person's name, right? And the teacher will know. That's what the teacher know, right? Okay. And your handwriting too. That's what the teacher know. So the next thing, you're going to click the withdrawal button. So you make sure you have your own speed. If you're using speed, you have your own speed wallet address. You can use speed, you can use ZBD, you can use um moon. But the thing is, guys, there's so much. You have to know which one you like and which one the app is offering. So once you open a money making app, you want to know what cash out is this app offering to me, right? So that's why you know what wallet you're supposed to open. So if you don't have a wallet, it's simple and easy. You can just create the wallet. So let's say you decide to use a money making app and you say, okay, they're using the moon wallet or they're using the speed wallet. All you have to do is if you're watching my videos, you can click the link in my videos for the speed wallet. I will leave it in the description and then you create your account so you'll be sure you're getting the right money making app, or you can go on the Google Play, download the app, and then create an account from inside the app. But what happened is if you use my link, you'll be earning with me. So whenever someone sign up using my link, is like when I go into the referral section, I can see like the new person that add on, and I will also get a notification that that person is earning with me also. So that's just the thing. So yeah, then you want to press the withdrawal button. Is as simple as that. They will mention to you that if you have an incorrect address, your cryptocurrency will be lost. And what they mean by lost is mean it will be stored on the blockchain and it won't be able to retrieve it. So that's just the thing, and that's why they say it's lost. But when you copy and paste, guys, check. Don't just leave your satoshis like that. So just to keep that into consideration. You can see that I just received my earnings into my speed wallet. So yeah. So now we're gonna go to another money making app. So if this video is too long, what I'm gonna do, maybe I have to cut it in a part one and a part two, just to let you guys get it. So once I've done that, I'm gonna share with you guys this money making app, which is called the Bitcoin kind. The reason why I'm not gonna share with you guys the Bitcoin mining turbo, I just started using this money making app yesterday, so I'm not at the cash out minimum yet. So I'm just gonna share you guys this next one. But you know what? I'm gonna put this video in a part two. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cut the video here and then I'm gonna do part two.